Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hagini kisngi bamenta ki surok ba na Shillong sa Guwahati, batru na Shillong sa Jowai, haki babon ki benta ki lasniw ba. Kabalakta shibon ki kalit kawan jo ki ba, kamtam ladadan ka jingsniw ki kalihe hasiteng nanti. Habatwa jingmot na usambut Menteri Rangba kani kejela uba Prestun Tensong halor kani kejingsniw kani kesurong ulaong baka Sarkar Meghalaya kalabatha ya ka National Highway Authority of India bakan shimkya ya kani kam ban kemi na kabenta ban penbha ya kini kesurok ba hakaba nakaliang kani katnaru kelas dang ban pentrei hadin balasya ban wanra ya kinong trei na kiwe pat kejela.
See, like National Highway is being taken care of by the Nahai Authority, which they stationed themselves in Guwahati, and the other day they met me also, and then they have flagged a few difficulties that they have bringing in the laborers. But I told them, see, as far as maintenance of National Highway is concerned, you are allowed. If you bring in your people during daytime, let them walk and then go back. There is no harm, but strict SOPs and protocols needs to be adhered to in totality.